You use Google every day, but you're missing out on 90% of its potential. You know that feeling when you're searching for a specific report, a niche market analysis, or a free ebook, and all you get is generic blog posts and ads. What if I told you there's a hidden layer to Google search that lets you access files, documents, and specific data that most people never see? This isn't about just typing in a few keywords. This is about using Google like a master researcher. Today, we're diving into a technique that separates the amateurs from the pros, Google dorking. In an age where information is everything, knowing how to find the right information instantly is a superpower. So, how do we do it? It's a simple, 3-step process. First step, you need to master the search operators. These are special commands you add to your search. Let's focus on one of the most powerful ones, file type. This command tells Google to only show results of a specific file format. So if you want PDFs, you type file type PDF. For spreadsheets, file type XLS. Step 2 is combining this with a keyword. Let's say you're looking for a competitor's marketing plan. You'd search for something like Marketing Plan 2020 for file type PDF. This filters out all the noise and gives you direct access to PDF documents containing your keywords. And the final step is to refine your search with other operators. You can use quotation marks to search for an exact phrase like quarterly sales report, or use the cite operator to search within a specific website like cite Harvard. Edu. Combining them is where the real magic happens. Let's look at a concrete example. Say you're a freelancer looking for new clients. Instead of just searching companies hiring freelance writers, you could try something like freelance contract file type PDF. This might pull up publicly available contracts revealing companies that regularly hire freelancers. Or if you're job hunting, you could search for site LinkedIn. We are hiring your job title file type PDF to find job descriptions posted as PDFs, which often get missed by standard job portals. This is how you find the opportunities that others don't. By mastering these simple commands, you're not just searching, you're excavating. You're finding the exact documents and data you need, saving hours of time and gaining a massive competitive edge. If you found this useful, imagine what else you could learn. Make sure to subscribe for more productivity hacks that will level up your career. And while you're at it, check out our new productivity planners and gear in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.